Hi guys, I'm Mark and today we're gonna talking about what is the DOE framework. So basically this is one of the most useful framework that you can use to build a high quality application using anti-gravity. If you want to build high quality application, you can't random to putting some prompt, you can random writing, you can't do anything like that. You must have the clear decision, you must have the clear descriptions, the roles, the rules, everything must be clear so your agentic AI can work properly. So I have right here the DOE framework. So basically this is the framework that you can use to turning your basic LLM into a functional digital employee. So let's get started. DOE is stand for directive orchestration and executions. So we have the first one, the directive. So basically directive is the role of your agentic AI. You give him the identity. Let's say I have the DOE framework to build AI trend researcher agents, and I put the directive. The role is the senior AI content strategist and trend analysis. So you give him the simple descriptions focusing on identifying signal from noise in the rapidly evolving AI landscape, and a constraint. You can give him a constraint, avoid hype-only reporting, and focus on a practical business and utility. So basically, in the directive section, you give your agentic AI the clear role and the clear identity. So your agentic AI doesn't hallucinating about the job description, about the positions, and any other stuff. The second one, we have the orchestrations. So basically orchestration is the workflow, the nodes, the rules. If you are familiar with NNN, so NNN is a drag and drop platform. You can build any automation on that platform basically by drag and drop node. On that platform, you are basically add node per node, connecting each node and setting each nodes. Of course, you can see the data will flowing from the left and the right, from the start to the end. You can give him the trigger, you can give him any applications, you can give him the output. You can decide what kind of output that you want. So basically on anti-gravity, we have the similar mechanism with that. We can set the trigger, we can set what kind of applications, we can set what kind of step that we must do, and we can set the output. So let's say I want to build AI trend researcher agents. So I have set the orchestrations. The first one, I need the node, I need the trigger node. So what kind of triggers that I need to start the workflow? So I want the trigger is a manual, so I like click a button and the program will run. And the second trigger, I need a cron trigger, so a schedule trigger. You can set like every Monday at 8 a.m. to catch weekend news. So after the program start, we have to set what is the next step. So the next step on my agentic AI researcher agent is to doing some research. And to do some research, we have the tool, and the tool that we can use to doing some research is a Tafly. And you must to set the Tafly node the rule to like search specifically for AI breakthrough, LLM benchmark, and agentic workflow from the last 24 hours. So that definitely the researcher agents will find or will search the newest trend about the AI from the last 24 hours. After we getting the topic, after we getting the raw article, we must to write that into the high quality post, into the high quality article. So in this point, in this step, we must use LLM to creating high quality article. So if you can see on OpenAI just because I'm using OpenAI as a LLM, so it's a very similar with NNN node parameter. You can give him the role right here. You are a visionary AI strategist through a leader. You can give him instruction, the writing principles, blah blah blah. You can set the tone. You can set the output on here. So this is so simple, okay? And the last note, we need the platform to show our post, to show our article. So in this case, I'm using a LinkedIn right here, and this is the final output by the way. And we have the final part, this is the executions. So basically this is the output that you want. It can mean the format, like long format or a short format. You want to be a PDF, Google Docs, text, or something stuff like that. And we can see from the contents perspective what kind of headline you want, how much of characters that you want, under the 2000 or maybe under the thousands, or maybe what kind of data type that you want, like a clean markdowns text or something stuff like that. I'm going to show you how it works. So basically this is the applications or agentic AI that will be powered by Antigravity using DOE framework, of course. And this is the source code anyway. The first one, we have the statistic, we have the some information like a total run, successful post, failed, skip, and AI insight. We have the execution history and AI insight. You have to understand one thing. In the agentic AI, the main power of agentic AI is we can add self-annealing system. So this agentic AI can gathering posts that have been posted before. So each execution will make this AI stronger because this agentic AI use that information to learn. So that's how this agentic AI can get better. So we have the run button now. If we click this AI will automatically run, automatically doing research from Tavly, writing an article, and automatically posting on our LinkedIn. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna run this agentic AI and we will wait. Okay, perfect. So this is the executions and this is the content that this agentic AI produce. And let's see in our LinkedIn. Refresh. Okay, perfect. This is work properly. So this is our post. This is our LinkedIn posting that produced by this agentic AI. Okay guys, if you have any question, you can drop a comment below, smash the like button and smash the subscribe button. My name is Mark, thank you very much, goodbye.